In this episode, we will look at the influences of human migration. By the end of the episode, you should be able to identify the reasons why people migrate to new places and understand the effect of migration on cities.
Roaming around the world to teach you how to use a map. Making social studies interesting, I swear this is no trap. Gonna learn about population, lines and degrees. Once you're through with me, this will all be a breeze. We'll travel around the world to visit seas and land. Hopefully you'll learn something with the videos I have planned. After we're through with all of this, you'll better understand. We're ready to get started with one question at hand. Where in the world is Shenoah?
So, what exactly is migration? Migration is when people move from one place to another. What would we call someone who migrates from one country to another? You would call them an immigrant. What are some reasons people might migrate from one country to another? There are many different reasons people may leave one country for a new country. It can be anything from finding new work to avoiding war. Demographers explain immigration through the use of the push-pull theory. The push-pull theory states that certain factors push people to a new area. The push is the factor that the person does not like, while the pull is the factor the person is looking to find. Example, if someone was in a country where there is constant war and fighting, that would be the push. The pull would be if that same person found a country with no fighting. The fact that there is no fighting in the new country makes it appealing to that person. Do all immigrants migrate willingly? Some immigrants do migrate willingly, however, not all do. In some cases, people are driven out of their country and are forced to find refuge elsewhere. In recent years, the population of cities has increased due to the fact that many people are migrating from smaller areas to larger cities. Urbanization is the growth a city faces when people migrate to it. Cities are considered urban areas. We call smaller areas, such as farm regions and countryside villages, rural areas. Very often, people migrate from rural areas to urban areas faster than the urban area can handle. What types of problems might this cause? If too many people move to an area at once, it can cause overpopulation. The urban areas soon do not have proper housing for all of the people looking to live there. Finding jobs and schools can also be difficult when too many people are present in one area. We have to also remember that if people are leaving the rural areas, this means the number of farmers also drops. If that number becomes too low, that means the amount of food being produced also drops. Don't forget, the last known location of Shenoah. She was last spotted at 30 degrees north and 32 degrees east. Tune in next time to find where in the world is Shenoah.